Welcome to Digital Income Strategies. Here I reveal all the strategies that you can use to create and multiply your income from digital sources. Let's become millionaires together. Today we will be creating a Spot the Difference puzzle book for seniors to sell on Amazon KDP. Additionally, we can sell a digital version of this book on Etsy. Okay, I have Amazon open here and I'm just going through all of the Spot the Different puzzle books that they have to offer. And I'm looking for a specific niche. I think it should be for seniors. Like I see here, there are tons of Spot the Difference books available. Let's see how much money we can make with this. Heading over to Kindle Direct Publishing, royalty calculator, we're gonna use colored, standard with colored interior, page count, let's keep it at 90 and we're gonna sell it for say $12.99. Okay. So it says it leaves us with $4.36 per sale. So if we sell 10 of these for 30 days and make 5 different variations, so crossword, different puzzles like that, it will leave us with $6,500 in our pocket. That's a pretty good deal now. Heading over to Etsy, because we can sell the same exact thing, the same digital version on Etsy, I'm quickly gonna see what it's gonna be selling for. So I see anywhere between $5 to $14. Keep in mind Etsy does have fees. So they have a one-time $15 USD fee and then 20 cents per product that you list, per item, and then 6.5% out of each sale. So this would mean that if we were to sell it for say $5.50, same thing, 10 books per day, 30 days, and we just need to subtract the Etsy charges over here. I'm subtracting 99 cents, okay, and then we're gonna be making 5 different variations, say, and that leaves us with $6,700 in our pocket. I would say that's really good. So altogether it would be upwards of 13,000 if we can make this happen. Heading over to Canva, our favorite place. So we're going to use 6x9 in the custom design. And now the theme will be camping. So I'm going to look for images for camping for a Spot the Difference. Okay, this looks good. Just increasing the size here. No, doesn't look that great. Okay, now it looks nice. I just need a background. Blue looks great. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding elements to this picture. Just so we have extra elements that we can kind of take away in the next picture. So I'm adding a lantern and a marshmallow stick. Okay, that doesn't look nice. Maybe a sign here. This looks nice. Just moving the lantern a bit to the side. Okay, great. I just need another tree in the back. So maybe we'll just copy the original image and paste it again. And then I'm just gonna kind of crop it down to the size that I like, just moving it backward in the layers here. Okay, this way it looks nice, so the tree is nice and tall, so that's the difference in the trees. Okay, now I'm going to be adding the heading. So spot 5 differences. We're just going to be doing 5 today. You can do 10, you can do 15, whatever you like. Because I'm doing this as an easy level for seniors, I'm just going to be keeping it at 5 differences. Changing the font here. I like this one really nice. I just need a background color for the font. Okay, I like this. This looks really nice. Now, what we're going to do is duplicate it. And in the second image, I'm going to be removing both the elements that I added. And I'm going to use Magic Eraser in Canva to remove one of these logs here. Okay, just going to go through it again. And there you go. And then one log under the fire there, the campfire. Okay, this looks great. Let's head back to the original image. Okay, and we just need to get rid of that tall tree there. Oh, yeah, the sign needs to be changed to, I think I like this one. Okay, yep, that looks great. Yeah, the tall tree. Okay, perfect. So we have all of our elements here. I'm just gonna copy again. So I'm duplicating it again for the answers. I'm gonna draw a circle, just a red outline, and I'm just gonna circle all of the differences in the main image, in the first image. You can take any of the images, so the first or the second, as long as you remember where the changes are. And I'm just going to change the writing up top that says what the difference is, and I'm going to add answers to that. Okay, that looks good. Let's head on and make another image. So I'm going to be doing about 15 of these, so 30 images all together, and then plus the answers. So we'll do 15 puzzles. So I'm quickly going to go ahead and do that, and I will be right back. Now that we have our 45 pages ready, we're going to make the cover page. So I just added a page, and now I'm adding a heading, and I'm quickly choosing a font here. I like this one, but I do need an outline. Here we go. Okay, changing the location, it looks better here. Now we need to add seniors. So just an image or a graphic of seniors to indicate this is a book for seniors. I like this one so far. And somewhere we need to write puzzle for seniors. So this place looks nice. I'm just adding camping elements to stick to our theme. It doesn't really look that nice. I'm gonna get rid of them. Okay, let's try to add maybe a different background or frame. Still don't like it as much. Let's try moving this. Okay, maybe here. No, puzzle background. Okay, I'm gonna change the seniors graphic and bring in some color. This is nice. I am also gonna change the size and color of this stamp here. Okay, and background is still very distracting. Let's see if we can find something. Oh, this is nice. Okay, I'm gonna just move that to the back. There we go, so it's behind all our images, and then same here. Wonderful, getting rid of those pictures and changing the color on this. Awesome, I really like this. So now we're just gonna download it as a PDF, and it will be ready for us to upload on Amazon KDP and the digital version on Etsy. Thanks for joining me on this journey to becoming a millionaire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building passive digital income streams through creative entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy earning!